Buying a car today isn't just about picking a model you like. It's about making a smart financial decision. Should you go for a brand new vehicle or a carefully selected used car? In this video, we'll break down the real costs, long-term value, and hidden factors that make one option smarter than the other in today's market, so you can drive away with confidence. Today, we will talk about used versus new cars, the smarter choice in today's market. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. The core difference between used and new cars. When deciding between buying a new or used car, it's easy to focus on the sticker price, but the total cost of ownership tells a completely different story. New cars come with the latest technology, safety features, and warranty coverage, but they depreciate faster, losing 20 to 30% of their value within the first year. Used cars, on the other hand, have already absorbed this initial depreciation, making them significantly cheaper relative to their value. The choice between new and used isn't just about price, it's about how much value you get for every dollar spent. Buyers need to weigh reliability, maintenance, warranty coverage, and long-term financial impact before making a decision. In today's market, rising vehicle prices and supply chain issues make used cars more appealing than ever, providing cost savings without sacrificing quality if chosen wisely. 2. The depreciation advantage of used cars. Depreciation is the single largest financial factor in car ownership. New cars lose a huge chunk of their value the moment they leave the dealership, while used cars have already experienced this decline. For example, a $40,000 new SUV might drop to $28,000 to $30,000 after the first year, whereas a one-year-old version of the same SUV will retain most of its remaining value. Choosing a used car allows you to avoid this steep initial loss, effectively buying a car at a discount. Savvy buyers take advantage of this by purchasing vehicles that are 1 to 3 years old, combining modern features with lower prices. Understanding depreciation rates per brand and model is crucial to making a smart purchase. 3. Warranty and reliability considerations. One common concern about used cars is reliability. However, many modern vehicles are built to last well beyond 150,000 miles with proper maintenance. Certified pre-owned CPO programs offer additional peace of mind, providing manufacturer-backed warranties and rigorous inspections. In contrast, new cars come with full warranties, but this comes at a higher upfront cost. By selecting a well-maintained used vehicle with low mileage, buyers can enjoy reliability similar to a new car while avoiding the heavy depreciation hit. Warranty coverage and vehicle history reports are critical tools for minimizing risk when purchasing used cars. 4. Cost of ownership. Beyond the purchase price. Owning a car isn't just about the purchase price. It's also about insurance, fuel, taxes, registration, and maintenance. New cars often cost more to insure due to higher replacement values. Used cars, particularly those 2 to 5 years old, typically have lower insurance premiums. Maintenance is another factor. While new cars may require less early maintenance, their repair costs are covered under warranty, whereas used cars may require out-of-pocket servicing depending on age and mileage. Factoring in total cost of ownership often makes used cars the more financially sensible choice, especially when combined with slower depreciation and lower insurance costs. 5. Technology and feature considerations. New cars offer cutting-edge technology, including advanced driver assistance systems, infotainment, and connectivity features. However, many used cars from the last 3 to 5 years include nearly all the same features at a significantly lower price. For example, a 2023 used sedan may have adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a touchscreen interface similar to the 2026 model but cost thousands less. Buyers must weigh whether having the latest tech is worth paying a premium, or if slightly older technology can provide similar comfort, convenience, and safety at a fraction of the price. 6. Financing and interest rates. Interest rates and financing options can influence the new versus used decision. New cars often qualify for special low-interest or 0% financing deals, which may offset some depreciation costs if the buyer finances strategically. Used cars may come with slightly higher interest rates, but the lower principal amount often results in smaller monthly payments. Calculating total interest paid over the life of the loan is critical. In many cases, purchasing a used car with a modest interest rate can still be cheaper in the long term than a new car, especially when factoring in depreciation savings. 7. Market trends driving used car demand. The automotive market today is seeing record-high new car prices due to supply chain disruptions, material costs, and inflation. This has increased demand for used cars, as buyers look for value without overpaying. Popular models, particularly SUVs and fuel-efficient cars, are in high demand in the used market. Consequently, selecting a well-chosen used car can be a financially savvy move. Waiting too long to purchase new may not be advantageous either, as high demand and low inventory keep new car prices elevated. 8. Environmental and sustainability considerations. Buying a used car can also be an environmentally friendly choice. Manufacturing a new car consumes significant energy and materials, contributing to carbon emissions. By choosing a high-quality used vehicle, buyers reduce the environmental footprint associated with production. Additionally, many used hybrid and electric vehicles are available at reduced prices, allowing buyers to access eco-friendly technology without paying the premium for brand-new models. In today's market, sustainability and cost savings often align perfectly when considering used vehicles. 9. Negotiation and value optimization. Used cars often provide more room for negotiation compared to new cars with fixed MSRP pricing. Buyers can leverage market knowledge, depreciation rates, and vehicle condition to secure a deal that maximizes value. Tools like vehicle history reports, certified pre-owned programs, and third-party inspections empower buyers to negotiate confidently. Even small discounts can represent significant savings over time, especially when combined with lower insurance and registration costs. Smart negotiation strategies make used cars an increasingly attractive option for buyers seeking financial efficiency. 10. The smarter choice in today's market. In today's automotive landscape, used cars often represent the smarter choice for most buyers. They combine modern features, reliability, and warranty options with significantly lower depreciation and insurance costs. While new cars offer the allure of the latest tech, pristine condition, and full warranties, the financial impact of depreciation often outweighs these benefits. Buyers who strategically select well-maintained used cars with low mileage and consider total cost of ownership can achieve comparable comfort, safety, and reliability at a fraction of the price. By understanding market trends, vehicle depreciation, and financing options, you can make a choice that saves thousands while still meeting your driving needs. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.